Hello, my name is Muhammad Atikur Rahman bin Muhammad Nur, and my matric number is A22B1298. Now I would like to present introduction of financial management. For the introduction, to accomplish its goals, financial management entails supervising the financial activities of a company, financial reporting, risk management, planning, and making investment decisions are some example of these tasks. A company company's long-term survival and sustainability are guaranteed by effective financial management, which maximize earnings, reduce risk, and allocates resources optimally. Now, I would like to present about business nature of Gamuda Berhad and Fajar Baru Builder Group. First, for Gamuda Berhad, a corporation based in Malaysia, specialized in building water treatment plants, railroads, highways, and real estate. The areas of specialization are engineering, construction, and real estate, with a focus on sustainability and innovation. They also oversee and administer concession-based infrastructure asset. For Fajar Baru Builder Group, construction, the main activity of Fajar Baru Builder Group Berhad, with an emphasis on residential, commercial, and industrial projects. They works on a variety of construction projects such as home infrastructure and industrial buildings. Fajar Baru could also work in the construction industry as a real estate investor, developer, or in related field.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Nur Rashida binti Rosli and my matric number is A22A0399. So today I would like to present about the company outperform and underperform the industry benchmark or competitor. Reasons for outperformance. Point number 1 is strong management and leadership. Effective leadership can drive strategic decisions that lead to superior performance. Strong leaders can also foster a positive corporate culture, attracting and retaining top talent. Point number 2, technological advancement. Investing in new technologies can improve productivity and create competitive advantage. Point number 3, global expansion. Expanding into international markets can provide new revenue streams and reduce dependency on domestic markets. Reason for underperformance. Point number 1, poor management decision. Ineffective leadership and poor strategic decision can lead to underperformance. These include misallocation of resources, poor financial management, and failure to adapt to market changes. Point number 2, high operational costs. Companies with high operational costs relative to their revenue may struggle to maintain profitability. Point number 3, lack of innovation. Failure to innovate can result in loss of market share to more innovative competitors. Companies that do not keep up with technological investment and changing customer preference may underperform.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Syafiqah Alisha binti Alice and my matrix number is A22A1268. I would like to explain about how to improve the financial position, future prospect company based on the current, future and economic condition. Improving the financial position and future prospects of a company, especially in response to current or anticipated economic conditions, involves a strategic and multifaceted approach. There are several steps and strategies that can help to the company. That is by economic analyzing and forecasting, operational efficiency, financial management, risk management, and lastly, innovation and adaptability. By carefully analyzing the economic environment, leveraging strengths, and strategically managing resources, your company can enhance its financial position and future prospects even in the face of economic challenges.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Izwani binti Cik Hassan. My matrix number is A22A0336. Today, we compare the financial performance of Gamuda Berhad and Fajar Baru Builders Group Berhad from 2019 to 2021. Current ratio. Fajar Baru Builders consistently maintain a higher current ratio, indicating better short-term liquidity than Gamuda Berhad. Quick ratio. Both companies improved their quick ratios, but Fajar Baru Builders had a stronger ability to cover short-term liabilities without relying on inventory. Net working capital. Gamuda Berhad show significant growth in net working capital, especially in 2021, indicating increased operational liquidity. Inventory turnover. Gamuda Berhad improved its inventory turnover significantly by 2020, demonstrating greater efficiency in managing inventory compared to Fajar Baru Builders. Average collection period. Gamuda Berhad had a much shorter average collection period, especially in 2020, suggesting more efficient collection of receivables. Account receivable turnover. Gamuda Berhad had higher accounts receivable turnover rates, indicating more efficient receivable collection compared to Fajar Baru Builders. Conclusion. In summary, while Fajar Baru Builders had stronger liquidity ratios, Gamuda Berhad show notable improvement in working capital, inventory management and receivable collections. Both companies have their strengths depending on the financial metric considered.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Safifi Mewajud and my matrix number is A22A0088. I will explain about vertical and horizontal analysis. For vertical analysis in 2019, Fajar Baru fixed asset turnover was 6.34, higher than Gamuda's. In 2020, Gamuda's turnover rose to 7.72, surpassing Fajar Baru's, which is 6.42. In 2021, Gamuda's turnover decreased further to 13.78, while Fajar Baru dropped to 5.36. For horizontal analysis, in 2019, Gamuda's Berhad fixed asset turnover was 3.95, which increased to 7.72 in 2020. In 2021, it further increased to 18.78. For Fajar Baru Builder Group Berhad, the fixed asset turnover was 6.34 in 2019 and rose slightly to 6.42 in 2020. However, in 2021, it decreased to 5.36. In vertical analysis, total asset turnover for Fajar Baru Builder Group in 2019 was higher, which is 0.68. In 2020, highest to 0.53, and 2021 still higher from Gamuda Berhad. For horizontal analysis, in 2019, Gamuda Berhad total asset turnover was 0.27, dropping to 0.14 in 2020, then rising to 0.17 in 2021. Fajar Baru turnover was 0.68 in 2019, dropping to 0.53 in 2020 and 0.31 in 2021. For vertical analysis, Gamuda Berhad debt ratio fell from 50.73% in 2019 to 34.26% in 2021. Fajar Baru fell from 36.08% to 35.45%. For horizontal analysis, in 2019, Gamuda Berhad debt ratio was 50.73%, dropping to 34.26%. Fajar Baru Builder Group debt ratio fell from 36.08% in 2019 to 25.55% in 2021. For vertical analysis, in 2019, Fajar Baru time interest earned was 24.70 times higher than Gamuda's Berhad. In 2020, it was 50.96 for Fajar Baru. In 2021, Fajar Baru remained higher at 41.30 times. For horizontal analysis, in 2019, Gamuda's time interest earned was 7.50 times, dropping to 5.05 in 2020, then rising to 9.47 in 2021. Fajar Baru was 34.70 times in 2019, decreasing to 15.96 in 2020, then increasing to 41.30 in 2021.
I will continue to the next part, which is vertical analysis. Gamuda Berhad and Fajar Baru Builder Group exhibited distinct trends. Gamuda height ratio in 2019 decreased steadily, improving financial stability. Fajar Baru maintained a lower, more stable ratio, emphasizing a conservative approach with minimal financial risk. For horizontal analysis, Gamuda Berhad debt to equity ratio decreased from 2019 and a grand decrease in 2021, showing reduced leverage. Fajar Baru Builder Group ratio also declined from 2019 and 2021. indicating a shift to a lower risk capital structure. For vertical analysis, Gamuda Berhad saw a sharp drop in gross profit margin with recovery in 2021. This showing volatility in profitability. Fajar Baru Builder Group, however, showed a consistent increase and highlighting steady improvement in gross profitability. Horizontal analysis, Gamuda Berhad gross profit margin fluctuates significantly, dropping from 2019 and 2020 and recovering in 2021. In contrast, Fajar Baru Builder margin steadily improved. Next part, vertical analysis. Gamuda Berhad operating profit margin showed steady improvement, indicating major operational gains. Fajar Baru Builder Group's margin also increasing, reflecting continuous improvement in operational performance. Horizontal analysis from 2019 and 2021, Gamuda Berhad operating profit margin are increasing, showing significant improvement in operational efficiency. Same thing happened with Fajar Baru Builder Group's margin. In 2019, Gamuda Berhad net profit margin was much higher than Fajar Baru. By 2020, Fajar Baru margin nearly matching Gamuda Berhad, and in 2021, Gamuda margin jump while Fajar Baru are improving. This indicates Gamuda Berhad significant profit increase in 2021 and Fajar Baru steady growth each year.
For the next part is financial ratio for Gamuda Berhad in year 2019. Current ratio is 1.59, quick ratio is 1.43, net working capital is 2,918,600, inventory turnover is 0.39 times, average collection period is 0.06 times. Account receivable turnover is 5.25 times, fixed asset turnover is 3.95 times, total asset turnover is 0.27 times, debt ratio is 50.73%, time interest earned is 7.50 times. Debt to equity ratio is 102.95%, gross profit margin is 93.44%, operating profit margin is 19.01%, net profit margin is 16.61%. Meanwhile, financial ratio for Fajar Baru Builder Group Berhad in year 2019, current ratio is 2.26, quick ratio is 1.51, net working capital is 2,003,539, inventory turnover is 0.82 times, and average collection period is 0.06 times. Account receivable turnover is 3.29 times, fixed asset turnover is 6.34 times, total asset turnover is 0.68 times, debt ratio is 36.08%, time interest earned is 24.70 times. Debt to equity ratio is 56.45%, gross profit margin is 70.27%, operating profit margin is 12.63%, and net profit margin is 8.08%. As we can see, this is statement of profit or loss for Gamuda Berhad for the year 2019, 2020 and 2021. The next slide shows the statement of financial position for Gamuda Berhad for the year 2019 and 2020. As we can see now, this is statement of profit or loss for Fajar Baru Group Berhad for the year 2019, 2020 and 2021. This one is statement of financial position for Fajar Baru Group Berhad for the year 2019 and 2020. And this is statement of financial position for Fajar Baru Group Berhad for the year 2021.
Now I would like to present recommendation about Gamuda Berhad. Leading Malaysian conglomerate, Gamuda Berhad is exceptional in infrastructure, real estate and its construction, renowned for its inventiveness and eco-friendliness. It regularly completes high-caliber projects. Gamuda is well positioned to continued growth thanks to its impressive track record and varied portfolio. Given its well-established reputation and dedication to sustainable growth, Gamuda may be of interest to investors focusing on the infrastructure and building sectors. Now, I would like to present about recommendation of Fajar Baru Builder Group. Fajar Baru Builder Group Berhad is a strong performer in the infrastructure and real estate projects as well as commercial and industrial ones. Now, for its excellence and dependability, it's a desirable choice for investors in the building industry. The potential for steady growth and profitability is ensured by Fajar Baru's experience and adaptability. For the lastly, I will present about conclusion. Gamuda Berhad and Fajar Baru Builder Group Berhad are prominent entities in Malaysia infrastructure and building industries. Gamuda present attractive investment opportunities given its well-established reputation for sustainability and innovation. Fajar Baru, on the other hand, offers investors a strong opinion because of its diverse portfolio and emphasis on quality and dependability. Both businesses are well positioned for sustained growth and success, which makes them desirable choice in their respective industries.